This is the 11th, well, currently 11th most traded stock in the market today. We're looking at 46 million in trading volume, 46.2 million in trading volume. WeWork, specifically as far as trading volume goes, TSHA, Taysha Gene Therapies, penny stock here, trading 131% in gains today. I'm not sure if that's a reverse split or anything. And then AMRS, which thinking about making a video here on AMRS, obviously was going crazy on like Thursday and Friday of last week here. But yeah, I just wanted to go over a few things in regards to TTO stock. Obviously a stock that has a ton of interest. A lot of speculation whether TTO stock could become that next meme stock, whether TTO stock could become this, that, and another. For me personally, I think TTO stock, given the niche and specific sector that it's in, it has bullish sentiment. I've talked about that for a while now in previous videos with TTO stock. And again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply just what I'm talking about. I currently do not have a position in TTO stock as well, so keep that in mind too. But let's get into this. So this is article here on, I think this is Invez. Let me see, invez.com. I wanted to share with you guys, TTO stock is pumping as Ttoo Biosystems a good buy. Ttoo shares price has soared over 600% from its 2023 low. The company has improved its balance sheet in the past few months. It will likely sell more shares to raise cash later this year. We don't know if that's going to be via a reverse split or whether it may be. But the speculation, obviously, with TTO stock is whether or not, or potentially, could it be that next GameStop? So you can see your Ttoo Biosystems stock price surge accelerated after the company published mixed financial results last week. The company said that its revenue plunged by 67% in quarter two to just $2 million. This decline was mostly because of a drop in the BARDA research contribution that happened during the COVID-19 pandemic, which I talked about when we went over those quarter two financials from sometime last week is when that was, probably Tuesday. This author of this article here, Crispus Niaga, and I will put a link to this article in the description below. But he says, I believe that Ttoo Biosystems stock price will not last, considering the company will likely use the rebound to sell additional shares in a bid to boost its balance sheet. With this prudent move, it will lead to dilution among existing shareholders. Another challenge is that the company has yet to figure out how to market its rapid diagnostic products in a profitable manner. Besides, while the number of COVID-19 cases is rising, most people have stopped caring about the disease. So on and so forth. Just a quick look at the chart. But I just wanted to share this article specifically to talk about like how there is bulls and bears in any specific market, right? Crypto, stock market, there's bulls and bears, right? But this like article doesn't even mention the bidding or the soon to possibly be FDA approval of the sepsis diagnostic test, which brings me to this tweet here, talking about Ttoo Biosystems CEO announced last week that he is anticipating an announcement from the FDA for the world's first rapid sepsis test, potentially saving millions of lives right before Global Sepsis Awareness Month. So I guess Sepsis Awareness Month is sometime next week. And we talk about sepsis on this channel, or specifically talking about TTO stock, and we kind of haven't talked about like how serious of an issue sepsis is like worldwide. I think a lot of people are affected, and here are some numbers. Shout out to this Twitter user, Nordquist Tim. 49 million people worldwide are affected by sepsis. 38 billion in annual costs for the U.S. 1.7 million diagnoses each year in the U.S. 19.7% of all global deaths come from sepsis. Number one cause of hospitalization in the U.S. Number one cost of hospital readmission in the U.S. Antibiotic admission decreases the likelihood of death by 7.6% per hour. 20% of sepsis patients are rehospitalized within 30 days, and 1/3 of sepsis patients who die in hospitals have sepsis. 2/3 of septic patients enter the health system via emergency department, which brings us to the Ttoo Biosystems sepsis diagnostic test, which is said to diagnose sepsis within a couple of hours. I guess sometimes currently, based on the way it works now, it's multiple hours or actually multiple days, to diagnose sepsis, which is just crucial time that is kind of wasted, which is why like when we talk about TTO stock and that potential budding FDA approval, right? If we take away the financials, we take away the dilution, we take away all that stuff, we just take a look at the fundamentals specifically with the stock. I really just think you can't look at this stock and look at a potential FDA approval of the sepsis diagnostic test, the first in the world, and not think that there's not bullish sentiment in regards to TTO stock. So here we are on Monday. Obviously, its price is a little bit up today, but let me know in the comments below you guys feel about TTO currently. 34 cents now at the time of this video. We kind of take a look here at the chart for TTO stock over the last month or so. It did get up to 45 cents sometime. That was 2 weeks ago. 45 cents here, down from 34 cents. But even at the beginning of the month was trading at still just at above 15 cents, and has climbed up quite a bit, 20 cents from that time. I think our first video I made at TTO stock was at 10 cents. So again, let me know in the comments below if you got in at 10 cents. Drop a like on this video, you guys. Let me know in the comments below you guys feel about TTO. Hit that subscribe button. As always, have a great day.